washing your hands. I hope you guys are isolating from large crowds. I hope you guys are just being careful, and also at the same time I hope you guys are spreading love and light, because I know everyone is scared with the coronavirus, but we serve a living God, and really let's just spread love and light, because in the midst of all the fear and all the frustration, a lot of people are getting laid off work, a whole lot of things are happening right now. We want to still, find time for love and laughter, because it's important, and generally we shouldn't be scared, because God is going to come through for us. So yeah, with that being said, in this video today I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle, and this is faux locks, but this is a crochet method, and I did the individual crochet in the front, which I will be showing you guys in this video. I just thought it wise to come here and just talk to you guys briefly, share with you guys, know how you guys are doing, and just really spread love and light, and let you guys know that no matter what's going on in the world, you're alive, and that's a reason to be grateful. And also in the midst of all the fear, let's just find time for a little bit of I don't know, play for lack of a better word. Let's just find time to play in the midst of it. Find time to play, find time to laugh, find time to spend with a loved one, and don't forget to pray. It's very important that we pray in these hard times. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, or if there's anything that I didn't say, please leave a comment, and I will be quick to respond to your questions and your suggestions and your ideas. And yeah, that's that about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
I honestly was not looking forward to doing a voiceover, but here we go. So now I'm showing you guys my braid pattern for this hairstyle, which is just basic cornrows all the way to the back, and I have some leave out in the front, and I'm showing you guys what the hair looks like. It's curly at the ends and it's really pretty. And before I forget, I know that I didn't show you guys the packaging in this video, but this hair is from Nigeria, so I'm not sure if you can get this in your local beauty supply store or not, but I got this in Nigeria, and it is called the Freedom Braid Collection Faux Locks. And yeah, now I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing the crochet, which is just regular crochets that everybody and their mamas can do at this point. And to be honest, with hairstyles like this, your cornrows don't have to be perfect. You just have to make sure that while braiding, they're really firm, because that's the only way this hairstyle can last a long time. So just make sure that your cornrows are really firm and tight, not to the point where your scalp is aching, but firm enough for you to be able to latch on the hair to your head, and it will last a longer time. And yeah, that's that about that. And with my leave out in the front, I'm going to also show you guys how I hide the extra braid after crocheting the hair to my head and making sure that it is firm. Yes, so this is me showing you guys the ends, or the curls at the ends, which I wasn't feeling at first, but then after I was done with the hair, I started to like it. So now we're gonna make sure that we secure the lock, or the crochet hair, which is the lock to my head, first of all, with that first step. And then after I complete that step, to hide the extra braid that is left over after I secure it, I'm just gonna put my needle through the lock as far as I can. And then when I put my needle through the lock, I'm gonna take the extra braid and drag it through that lock, and that way it hides the braid and it looks like everything is just coming from my scalp. And yeah, and it might take you a few tries, because these locks are weird sometimes, but it'll work out in the end. So just don't panic, and this hairstyle is super easy. If I can do it, then you can definitely do it. Anyways, that's it right there, and I'm just gonna hide that extra piece just by wrapping it around a few times and trying to fix it inside of the lock. And that is that about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe and God bless you. Bye.